Hi, this little video is about how to deal with exam stress. I'm Judith, I'm one of the Ready List team. And what is important to remember is exams are stressful and we all feel anxious before exams. So the important thing is to have ways of dealing with that. We feel anxious when things mean a lot to us. So the Ready List is a way to befriend ourselves and be on side with ourselves. Let's remember what the Ready List is. Stop, see, breathe, soft and tall. And these thoughts, if we really let them land in our body, help us regulate our nervous system and embody a quiet calm that helps us in stressful situations. So that it's really good to prepare for your exams when you're revising or even thinking about your exam coming up, and let yourself embody these thoughts. Stop, see, breathe, soft and tall. And they really will help you to achieve your best result in the exams.
I've been doing Alexander technique lessons at Junior Academy for the past 3 years, and it's helped me in so many aspects of my life, not only in music but also just generally with schoolwork, and teaching me how to rest and feel centered and balanced.
I've been doing Alexander technique for perhaps 3 years, and I found it really useful for both my playing and school and life just in general, because it allows me to feel relaxed in any circumstance, and especially the lying down. I found that just in any situation, even if it's just before an exam, I found a table in an empty classroom and lay down and breathed and thought of all the things that we do in the Alexander technique lessons, and it's been really useful.
Remember, we all get burnt out and overwhelmed when we have too much information. This is often called cognitive overload. A good way to address this and recharge our batteries is semi-supine, lying down every now and then to recharge and reboot the system. Alongside this, good to remember you've got the Ready List skills in your pocket. Stop, see, breathe, soft and tall, which helps us to cue in safety when we feel overwhelmed or fearful. This is so useful to refresh ourselves and be ready to learn.